In this video, we're going to talk about how to organize and structure your accounts, properties, and views in Google Analytics. So we're going to pop into Google Analytics here. We're going to go to the admin screen. That's where you're going to find these. And here you've got three columns that show up in your admin. The very first column is your account. After that, in the middle, you've got your property. And then here you have your views. So the way to think about this is company level. So here in the account, you've got the company, you've got users that are associated to the company and all the different settings, and everything's company-wide here. Here might be specific, let's say, departments of the company. So for many people, it'll just be the same thing. It'll be the website, and they just have the one website. Others might have different sections of the company that they actually measure differently. Now, an important pro tip here, if you are tracking your blog and your store, like maybe an e-commerce store, and you want to be able to see the crisscross that happens in between those, then you need to keep them all under the same property. It's very, very important to do that. But if you don't, if you're measuring them completely differently, or maybe it's two different companies kind of under a parent company, then you could create different properties for each one of those. And then underneath the property, you can actually filter down and have what they call views. This is actually views of the data. And you can see here, it's different views that you can actually set up. So you could, if you had that example of you've got a blog that works with your e-commerce store, you can actually set them both up under the same property. And then you could create one view that just shows you the blog pages, then another view that just shows you the store pages, and another view that has both. So that's what the views are. It gives you different views of your data in Google Analytics. And that's how you want to structure your account, property, and view in Google Analytics.
All right, now it is your turn. Let me know how you are actually using this video. Just do me a favor, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to like and subscribe so you're notified of other future Google Analytics videos just like this one.